In this video, I'm going to show you how to add videos to Serato DJ Pro. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel, and from here you want to go to expansion packs. In here you're going to need this Serato video expansion pack, so just click on it and click on where it says enable Serato video. Once you've done this, you can go ahead and customize different things over here. I'm actually going to go and leave it like it is over here, and I'm going to close down the settings. From here, there's now a new button over here in the top left, which is of course the video button. And here you can see there's now new different folders as well. So I'm gonna go to this video button up top. And of course over here, you wanna click on get video to be able to get it. Or of course you can enter the voucher code if you have it. But for me, I'm actually gonna use the demo mode right now. So I'm going to click on this, and as you can see here, it's going to open up this Serato video output, and it noticed I do have a video in here already, but if you don't, this is going to be completely blank. So what you have to do here is simply drag and drop in your video. I'm actually going to do it like this. I'm going to drag and drop in the video, and as you can see, it actually noticed this is a video. It's an MP4 format, and I'm going to just click and drag it up here. You can drag it like this or like this, and it's going to basically load it in here, and of course you can then double click, and it's going to open your demo mode preview just like this. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.